And that was the unboxing video. Now let's do a quick review of these Happy Plugs headphones. But before that, don't forget to use my discount code LelyMontes10. Yes, LelyMontes10 to get 10% off whenever you make a purchase of the Happy Plugs headphones from their website, happyplugs.com. Alright, now let's talk about how Happy Plugs started. So this actually started in 2011 when Andreas Vural was looking for a gift for his girlfriend. He's actually looking for a colorful headphones that he would like to give his girlfriend. But then back at the time, he couldn't find any. Syempre, mga black or white lang yung available at that time, diba? So what he did was, he hand-painted himself na lang, his own, and then came up with Happy Plugs. And of course, when he gave it to his girlfriend, she loved it. And then not only his girlfriend, but his girlfriend friends loved it. So that was the start of it. So Happy Plugs has 3 types of styles and designs you can choose from. So it would depend on your needs and your preference, of course. So if you're looking for affordable, small, and lightweight headphones but has the true wireless capability, you can use or you can get the Air One Go headphones. So the Air One Go only cost you $49.99. Yes, $49.99. And then if you're going to use my discount code LelyMontes10, you'll get additional 10% off. So that's around $5 that you can save. That $5 is about 250 pesos. So makakatipid ka talaga. And then they have 5, you can select from 5 different colors. Of course, they have the black and the white option. And then they have the mint, the nude, and the peach color. I personally love the mint one. It's very candy-like color. So yon. So that's the Air One Go. And then if you have a little more budget, you can get the Air One ANC option. The Air One ANC style would cost you $149.99, and then additional 10% off, of course, when you use my code LelyMontes10. So that's additional 750 pesos savings when you purchase the Air One ANC. And then they also come in 6 different colors. They have the usual black, the white, they have the gold, they have the blue, and they have the green. And now they just started producing the white marble color. So if you're going to think about it, Air One ANC would only cost you $149.99 compared to Apple AirPods, which is about $150. You can save for more than $100 if you're gonna get the Air One ANC compared to the Apple AirPods. Now, if you're like me who wants the earbud option, you can get the Air One Plus. So the Air One Plus has 2 different styles. You can select the earbud option, which is this, which is like similar to the Apple AirPods, and then the in-ear style, which is yung nasa loob. I personally prefer the earbud option because hindi sa akin kasi kasya yung in-ear. I feel like lagi siyang nalalaglag whenever I tried using the in-ear styles, yung mga ibang brands. So this one works perfectly for me. That's why I chose this Air One Plus. And this Air One Plus would cost you $99.99, which is around $100 na din. And then if you're going to use my code LelyMontes10, it's gonna give you additional 10% off your purchase. So additional 500 pesos savings yon whenever you get this headphones. And then they have 5 different colors to choose from. So you can get the black, the white, the gold, pink gold, and then the white marble, which is the one that I got. I love this white marble option because I don't know, sila lang palang yung nakitaan ko na merong white marble na ina-offer na color. The gold detail around it, it's super cute and very stylish. So I really love this. And then if you're feeling extra and you have additional budget, which is more than $150, they actually have a collab with YSL, so you can get that from happyplugs.com. And that's actually a luxury brand that they collaborated with. So because the owners both love fashion and music, so it's actually perfect combination. So they came up with this version. So you can get that, or you can buy 3 Happy Plugs. You can select 3 different colors. You can buy 3. You can put it in one in your car, one in your bag, and then one in your room, para you always have one Happy Plug in each location, diba? So that if you're going to do that, just don't forget to use my discount code LelyMontes10. Nakaka-save ka pa ng 10% off. Now let's talk about the features. I'm just gonna read what's in the box that came with it. So it says here 40 hours battery, dual microphones, wind noise reduction, sweat resistant, premium audio quality, aptX supported, clear voice communication, and 14 touch commands. So 40 hours battery is the charging case, and then the earbuds, it's 6 hours battery. So I haven't tried 40 hours straight using this one, pero I couldn't vouch for it yet. Pero I think I've had this for 5 days pa lang, and I haven't charged this one yet. So I think 40 hours is really doable for them. And then sweat resistant, of course, you can use it whenever you're working out, whenever you're going for a run, or if you're going to do some exercises while listening to music. This is really perfect for you. And the other feature that really stand out is the premium audio quality. Of course, I use this to listen to music, and then I also use this whenever I do Zoom calls. It's really, the quality is really good, very crisp yung sound, and really comparable to Apple AirPods. Super comparable siya. I mean, for only $99.99, which is almost half the price of more than half the price actually of the Apple AirPods. This is really good deal. And then it has the 14 touch commands, which is a lot really. So the 14 touch commands would let you control the volume, of course. If you're listening to music, you can skip, you can go to the previous track, and then you can play or pause. And then when answering calls, you can answer, reject, or switch calls. And then you can also use this to activate Siri from your iPhone. So Very, 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 very hands-free. I personally use this when I am driving. So whenever I need to answer calls or whenever I need to listen to music, and then I would turn up the volume or go to the next track. You can just touch the controls, and then voila, you don't need to use your phones anymore. So very, very perfect whenever you're driving, and also whenever you're working out. Super, 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 super helpful siya. Kasi you don't need to get your phones anymore. Just use the touch controls, diba? So that's all I can say. I really, really love this. If you're looking for a gift, this is a perfect gift. If you're looking for a gift for yourself too, if you don't have wireless headphones yet, this is really a good deal for you. Sobrang affordable siya. It's super affordable, yet stylish, functional, and also it's lightweight. Super liit lang niya. You can fit it in any bag, so you can put it in your pocket. And then of course, it's perfect for traveling. Super liit lang niya. So hindi siya masyadong bulky. So it's really, really perfect and suitable for you. I super, super love that they came up with different types of colors on different brands. If you notice, the colors they put into different styles, magkakaiba siya. Like yung black and white lang yung similar on all three variants. The rest, iba-iba siya. Iba-iba siya per variant. So I love it. It's very, very well thought of. So that's very stylish and fashionable, and of course innovative. So again, if you're going to purchase this, you can head over to happyplugs.com and use my code LelyMontes10 upon checkout to get additional 10% off. So that's it. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, let me know. Just don't forget to hit that bell button to subscribe and like this video. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye!